If you guys don't remember, I'll make you revise again. We have started with the reasons for downward sloping of the demand curve. What was the first reason?
Law of diminishing marginal utility.
Basically, the reason is showing that there is inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded, but the medium is utility. Yes or no? Yes? Again, second thing is what? Second thing is again, there is inverse relationship between price and QD, but the reason is the income of the consumer. And again, the third is the substitution effect is the reason because of which the curve is sloping downwards. There is inverse relationship, correct? Now come to the fourth point. What is the fourth point? Increase in number of consumers. ठीक है, चलो, very easy. Underline. A fall in the price of the commodity leads to an increase in the quantity demanded by the existing consumers. Yes or no? अगर किसी भी commodity का price क्या होता है, fall होता है, तो existing consumers क्या हो जाते हैं, बढ़ जाते हैं, because of income effect and substitution effect. क्योंकि अगर price कम होगा तो उनकी real income
ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, परचेसिंग पावर,
रियल इनकम परचेजिंग पावर क्या हो जाएगी, ज़्यादा. ठीक है. और दूसरी बात, अगर उस कमोडिटी का कोई सब्स्टिट्यूट है ना, जिसका प्राइस उतना ही है लेकिन इसका प्राइस फॉल हो गया है ना, तो उसकी डिमांड क्या हो जाती है, इंक्रीज. सो इफ देयर इज एनी फॉल इन द प्राइस ऑफ द कमोडिटी, द डिमांड फॉर दैट कमोडिटी फॉर द एग्जिस्टिंग यूजर्स विल इंक्रीज. Yes or no? Because of income and substitution effect. ठीक है. अब मुझे बताओ, और नए कंज्यूमर्स आएंगे कि नहीं आएंगे? आएंगे. सस्ता हो गया है ना. चलो आ जाओ, अब अंडरलाइन करो, इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट. A fall in the price of a commodity leads to an increase in the quantity demanded by the existing consumers due to income and पूरा यहाँ तक अंडरलाइन. कोई डाउट है? पक्का आ गया. Underline. At the same time, when the price of the commodity falls, many new consumers will start purchasing this commodity. Yes or no?
Yes.
Any doubt? Okay. At a very high price of a commodity, only a few rich people can afford to buy that commodity. Yes or no? Make a bracket. When the price of the commodity falls a little, people with moderate income will also able to purchase this commodity. Yes or no? At still lower prices, even the poor people will be able to afford it, and therefore the demand of the commodity will rise. So guys, if there is any decrease in the price, okay, now the people with moderate income will also be able to purchase the commodity, and even if the price is falling more and more, now the poor people can also afford this commodity, and now they'll also ready to purchase the commodity. Again, there is inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded. When the price is falling, the number of consumers are increasing. The numbers of consumers increasing because of what? There is inverse relationship because of what? Increase in the number of consumers. Yes or no?
Yes.
प्राइस कम हो रहा है तो डिमांड इंक्रीज हो रही है, लेकिन डिमांड इंक्रीज होने का रीजन क्या है? इंक्रीज इन द नंबर ऑफ कंज्यूमर्स बिकॉज ऑफ इनकम एंड सब्स्टिट्यूशन.
Yes.
पक्का ये एग्जीक्यूट कर रहा है, समझ में आ गया? ओके, आ जाओ. Thus, underline, when the price of a commodity falls, the number of consumers
Increases.
and this tends to raise the demand for the. Any doubt, guys?
No.
Pakka? Please read the example, Sharon.
For example, when the price of apples is rupees 100 per kg, then a handful of consumers can buy it. The quantity demanded is small, as the price of apples falls to rupees 70 per kg. Apples are within the reach of these households who cannot afford to purchase apples at a higher price. Consequently, the total demand for apples goes up.
बताओ कोई डाउट है? पक्का क्रिस्टल क्लियर है क्या चारों को? लास्ट है several uses of a commodity. क्या? Several uses of a commodity. What does this mean, Rushang?
That a commodity is used for several purposes.
For example,
Milk,
and
Good.
wood and
Water.
okay water. क्या चाहिए भाई, देना इसको. नहीं बोल सकता ना, बैटरी में सब. चल बोल.
पानी नहीं है.
बताओ.
Clothes. I mean the material.
cotton.
Yeah, cotton.
How do you don't know? I don't understand.
I forgot. I'm not
Okay.
getting it.
Okay. So what I'm saying, if there are several uses of the commodity, suppose milk has several uses. Simple. Okay. When milk का price ज़्यादा है, तो आप उसको क्या घर में ही पनीर बनाते रहोगे क्या? उसको फाड़ के
बस
नहीं.
पीने के लिए.
हाँ, बस पीने के लिए यूज़ करोगे या ज़्यादा यू मेक कर्ड आउट ऑफ इट.
हाँ.
बट अगर मिल्क का प्राइस कम हो गया, काफ़ी कम हो गया,
मिठाइयाँ.
तो तुम्हारी डिमांड इंक्रीज हो जाएगी. अब तुम उस मिल्क को उस पर्पस के लिए भी यूज़ करोगे जिसके लिए तुम पहले यूज़. अरे क्या पनीर लाएंगे बाहर से, दूध से बना लो पनीर. सारी मिठाई क्या दूध से बना लो. तो नाउ व्हेन द प्राइस ऑफ अ कमोडिटी डिक्रीजेस एंड कमोडिटी का सेवरल यूजेस है, देन यू स्टार्ट पुटिंग it to the least important uses also.